Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Asfar bin Maksri from JBC 25158E. So today I would like to present about a mini research on asset and fund management during the pandemic. Okay, for introduction, it is a case of mixed fortune with the novel coronavirus outbreak. Financial market react to the pandemic by crashing and becoming extremely volatile, as well as increasing credit spread. The economy of a country is also the benchmark of a country's strength. The economy of a country play a very important role in ensuring the well-being of the nation. As we all know, the world country, including Malaysia, is facing economic problems caused by coronavirus COVID-19. The coronavirus is affecting 210 countries and territories around the world and two international conventions. The COVID-19 outbreak caused many people to spend their money on necessity rather than investing. More people are more people are unsure whether they should invest their own money right now, especially with economy in slowdown. Okay, based on my research, during the pandemic, more investors are shifting to stock from fixed income investment for a better fund management. The COVID-19 pandemic has contributed to a shift in investor risk appetite, with more money shifting from fixed income investment into equity regarding a rally in healthcare stock last year. According to the data, from this research, there are a significant number of investments being made in the equity market compared to before the pandemic hit the country. There was a time when the healthcare sector was very large and rapidly growing, and a lot of money was flowing into equities. Principal Islamic Assets Management Sedang Berhad, which is CEO Datuk Sheikh Mashafuddin Sheikh Badaruddin, said there was a shift from fixed income into equity, and that continues now. We believe there are still opportunities for growth in the equity investment area. Despite the uncertainty surrounding the pandemic, the situation presents an opportunity for the Islamic investment space, which gained traction due to its stability in the middle of a volatile market environment. According to research data, there is a growing interest in the retail space of Islamic investment as the segment awareness grows. During the pandemic, there was also an increase in non-Muslim Islamic products provide Islamic instrument because Islamic products provide consistent return, particularly during time of volatility. And there are several reasons why investing in stock market is an excellent move during the pandemic for a better fund management. First, a recession can provide a low-cost purchasing opportunity. With investors withdrawing their money from the stock market, you may be able to purchase stock at a lower price during the period, especially if past trends indicate that a particular company is strong. These stocks are commonly classified as blue chip. However, in order to make a more intelligent choice, be sure to review the company report that are available. Second, working from home allows you to devote more time to learning about investing. If your company has a remote working arrangement, you may want to use your extra time to learn how or where to invest. You can you can either enroll in an online investment course, or if you always wanted to trade in the stock market, now might be a good time to start. Some may argue that trading in the stock market is a riskier investment than investing in bond, but the numbers tell a different story: high risk, high return. Lastly, emergency fund can be converted into investment. If you manage to accumulate an emergency fund over time, you might want to consider allocating some of it to certain type of investment to help you increase your saving. Simply remove the Simply remove the more volatile stock from your list of possible options, because stocks with high volatility require constant monitoring. even if the percentage of profit is high, but it is too risky for a newbie. Okay, for recommendation, I recommend to invest wisely during uncertainty market condition during pandemic. First, gain knowledge and understand about stock market. Learning and understand the subject matter, the market, and most importantly, yourself as an investor is one of the many ways to build confidence in investing. Understanding your financial goal is the first step in beginning to invest. We must always remember that high return come with high risk. So don't be enticed by claim of high return made by some investment scheme, which are most likely fictitious or sound too good to be true. Second, seek professional advice and direction. He advised newcomer that investing in unit trust is a relatively safe investment for a beginner investor. It is also critical to invest in a unit trust fund that match your investment objective and is offered by a reputable provider. Investing in unit trust may be a wise decision for new investor because your investment portfolio will be professionally managed by fund manager. Lastly, diver- lastly, diversification. Diversification is the key to making the most of your investment and lowering the risk associated with your investment portfolio. Never put all of your money in one stock. Instead, spread it across three or four. A diversified portfolio provides a more consistent return over time and is less vulnerable to market fluctuation. Aside from that, saving aside from that, staying disciplined when investing is critical, such as knowing when to take profit and when to cut loss to avoid future loss. Okay, for a conclusion, when it comes to managing your fund, investment, and making the best possible decision, there are no shortcuts. Making an investment decision is not something that should be taken lightly. Investors should take their time studying the market and putting in the effort to learn about investing. All of the reasons mentioned point to a simple and meaningful reason to invest in a pandemic. Hope for the best in the future, wishing you the best for your children or loved one. Even in this difficult time, investing can be a springboard to a more secure life if you research your option and devise a plan to help you achieve a financial breakthrough. So that's all from me. Thank you.